It makes sense that drinking water first thing in the morning is a good idea. More than likely your last drink of water was more than 8 hours ago. There are also some other benefits for doing this that you just might not know. One of the most important benefits of drinking water in the morning is it helps to regulate your blood pressure. Long amounts of time without water thickens the blood, which doesn't allow it to transport vital nutrients effectively throughout the body. Water also helps regulate body temperature. It is stored in between the skin and comes to the surface as sweat to help cool off the body. Dehydration can cause overheating and the body won't have a way to balance itself. It also helps improve our immune system. Hydration allows the body to more effectively combat bad bacteria that is in the body. Have that morning glass and feel better while making the body stronger. If you want better skin, water is a great way to keep it fuller, which helps get rid of unwanted wrinkles and lines. This gives the skin a healthier appearance and glow. Your digestive system will also be thanking you because water is essential in helping with the efficient removal of bodily wastes. This in turn also helps to eliminate toxins that are in your body. So what water source are you using to get your daily intake? Be sure to get the most natural water available to you. There are other ways to get good water besides the tap that is full of chemicals and impurities. Bottled, filtered, purified or distilled are not the best solution we found either. We recommend taking water right out of the air. Click the link below for more information about atmospheric generators. We are really impressed by what they can do. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video. Drinking water for weight loss, clean drinking water systems.